what's going on. Saturday night before Christmas. It is 11 p.m. and I don't have to get up for anything, so why not scrap a few things out? I wanted to do computers, but these were at the top of the stack. Kind of heavy. I have to assume that whatever's in here is what's making them most heavy, but what do you say we just do some stuff? Because 'tis the season. And I've got this cool little pan that I found at a dumpster in an apartment complex. I'll keep the screws in there. And I have this thing plugged in, so don't have to worry about batteries going dead. So that's one less thing I can lose my cool over. Not that I ever lose my cool, but just hypothetically speaking. Oh, this thing, look it, I'm pushing the trigger. That's all it does. If I push it slow, does anybody know what causes that? I don't want to have to push it slow. Get all the screws first. Oh man, there's all kinds of crap back here. Thought they were Phillips. I mean, it's not like I scrap out tons of stuff, so this thing shouldn't be going bad. I wonder, does anybody know? Does that mean it's bad? I put a brand new battery on it, so it shouldn't be the battery. Gotta tell you, batteries cause me a lot of consternation. Everybody wants to go to battery everything, and they suck. It's like, wake up, man. Wait till you have a battery-powered toilet and you can't flush it. Yeah, we'll see how you feel. Okay, let's see. A couple more and we should be getting in this thing. Okay. What do we have? Looks like we have a different size rivet in here. It's not a rivet, whatever the heck it is. A little bit of weight here. Open sesame. A lot of crap in this, and I've got a bunch of these somewhere. And am I gonna end up going through them all at some point? I don't know. Put that over there for now. Or hex. Maybe they're hex screws. Whatever they are. Why get hung up on stuff that don't matter? What the heck? Come on now. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a different size, huh? Oh jeez. This is the right one. It just seems a little sloppy. I don't like it sloppy. No. See? It feels like it's the right one, but It's not turning. I mean, it's spinning right inside. So which one's the right one? So I got 2 of these sets. Neither one, nothing fits. How do you like that? It's all a big FU. Oh man. Is it a star bit or something? Star bit. Okay, I'm not really taking anything apart, but okay, what the heck did that do? Oh, we got some stuff down here, man. Hiding. Yeah. That's one way to do it. Flip it upside down and see what falls off. Ah! There's another one over here. There we go. There we go. Now we'll take these off so get this heat sink. These are beautiful. Extruded aluminum. Get enough of those, you're loving it. Then getting these are nice as well. Also extruded, painted extruded. Got a separate bucket for those. Very light. One gigabyte. 1 gig. Man, and look at the gold pins in here. So, Scrap and Scorpion. I assume you would keep all of these gold pins. Gold pins. But what are all these little square things? Is that worth anything? I think I've tried to take them off before and they like break in half. I don't know. But I can take these gold pins off of here. I don't want to take boards apart tonight necessarily. I just want to kind of get it to this point. Painted extruded right there. All right, well, worry about that another time. Let's do this other one. In the meantime, got a big square metal box here. Throw in for recycle. Same thing. So we're kind of lame. We were supposed to go to my mom and dad's, but for Christmas, which is over in Michigan, and my stepson got COVID after we had a family gathering this last Sunday. So because we were around him, we chose to not go to Michigan for Christmas and potentially infect my mom and dad, which I don't want to do. They just had COVID a couple months ago. With them being in their 80s, it's not a good situation. My mom struggled. So I did not want to risk it. So instead of driving over to Michigan today, my wife and I stayed home. And we are going to be home for Christmas. And we don't have one Christmas decoration up. We didn't buy any gifts for each other, which we never do. We always figure, well, if we want something, we just get it. No sense having the stress of trying to come up with the perfect Christmas gift. And we just don't get into that. She wants a cross pendant on a necklace, you know. So at some point we're gonna go find whatever she wants and buy it for her. And that'll be at Christmas, which will be cool. There's another one. Scrap and Scorpion, man, I don't know how you do these boards all the time because I am not mentally equipped. Okay, we got a butte right here. Cover's been taken off, but other than that, this thing's ready to rumble. Ooh, all kinds of stuff. Check that out. Oh, I bet that looks like a CD-ROM or something. Okay. Toshiba must be a hard drive, right? I can't even see like how much. Oh, it says firmware. It's really heavy though. Probably got a decent card. All right. Set that aside. Oh yeah. Then you got the memory. Oh, sugar. Okay, that's where the money is. Let's get this power supply out of here. Okay, a little bit of crapola in that, but will I do anything with it one day? I don't know. I'd have to be really bored and just want to sit down and do nothing just to get all the little things off of it. There's some wire. Got a wire bucket over there. These are pretty sweet. Oh, hey, check that out. All right. While we're at it, what do you say we take this sucker out? Oh, yeah. All kinds of goodness. Battery out of there. Oh, there's another one. Jeez. 2 of these suckers in here, and they're both heavy, man. 2 terabytes. At least this one says. 2 freaking terabytes. Got 2 terabytes in the house, yo. Alright. Pretty lame. DVD writer. Yeah, there's probably some aluminum on it. Okay. Well, that was kind of fun. Alright, it is now midnight. 9 out of 10 doctors say drinking a Mountain Dew at midnight is good for you. The other, the 10 out of 10, the one that doesn't say that is an idiot. Oh. Man, that's good any time of day. Ooh. It's dirty up here. Man, that's grody. Oh, look at this. Coming up. Coming up. Oh, what's this? A frickin' compact disc, a writable disc. Another power supply. Just a big pile of stuff over there I don't know what to do with. Memories, scattered pictures. Yeah. Almost went Incredible Hulk on that one. Get the battery out. Ooh, man, look at the gold pins on that thing. Oh, yeah. Those are pretty sweet. Barracuda 500 gigabytes firmware. That doesn't impress me. Jeez. Okay. Motor